Let's see how we can make the first letter of each word of a string uppercase in Python using Google Colab. We have to make the first letter of each word of a string uppercase. .ipynb. File open. We have the string input. The variable s is assigned this string, which is given in quotes. We want to make the first letter of each word of a string uppercase. That is for the string s. We have the first word, second word, third word, and fourth word. For the first word, we have the number 1 and the symbol dot. Then we have the letter F, which we want to make uppercase. This E should be lowercase. For the second word we want this W to be uppercase. For the third word we want this A to be uppercase, R to be lowercase. For the fourth word we want this Y to be uppercase. In Python, the most efficient way to capitalize the first letter of each word is using the built-in title method. The string.title method is a simple and direct way to achieve this. It converts the first character of each word to uppercase, and the remaining characters to lowercase. If the word starts with a number or a symbol, the first letter after these will be converted to uppercase. So, for the first word, 1 is a number, dot is a symbol, so the first letter after these is F, which will be capitalized. The syntax is string, dot title, parenthesis. Let's first check if this variable s is indeed assigned this string. We will print this string, s. Let's run this code cell. We see that this variable, s, is indeed assigned this string. Now to make the first letter of each word of a string uppercase, we will use the string.title method. The string for our case is s, so we will write s.title parenthesis. Let's run this code cell. We see that the number 1 and symbol dot are unchanged, but the letter after these, F, is capitalized. F was lowercase, here it is capitalized. And E was uppercase, here it is made lowercase. For the second word, W is the first letter, so it is capitalized. For the third word, A is capitalized, since it is the first letter, and R is made lowercase. For the fourth word, Y is the first letter, which is capitalized. With this, we have successfully learned how to make the first letter of each word of a string uppercase using the string.title method in Python using Google Colab. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.